I am looking for specific trends of the year, and I feel like a lot of them are possible at the thrift store, but then to thrift them all within one trip is a bit of a challenge. We'll see. I'm looking for a plaid oversized coat. I'm looking for warmer pieces, so I'm definitely going to be looking in the leather section. I would love to find those like Patagonia fleece sweaters. I've also been loving this grapey pale purple that's been popping up all over runways. And maybe a pair of Docs if I can find one. Let's go take a look.
Why don't you take a coupon?
Oh, I don't need it. I already have so many extra coupons.
Oh.
You want my coupon?
If you have extra.
Yeah, I'll ask. First thing I see is this, which I'm always drawn to. Pleats and, you know, rosy stuff. And I'm like, whatever. It's just a dress. But no, it's a jumpsuit. Oh my god, I think I need this. When I was looking for something warm, this was all I was asking for. Does it have butt flaps? I found them. Yeah, I don't think these are Docs. Though I'm looking for black. But these are it. Whoa. These are like perfect condition. Oh my goodness. These are like Reeboks. Brand new. But they're Ardeen's. Solid, you tricked me. Oh my god. First thing on the rack. Hello, baby. How did I get so lucky today? Something like this for those Patagonia style sweaters. This is almost what I'm looking for. I'm in men's now and I found another one. Also almost there, but you see the 90s. The 90s are giving us these and I'm glad they're back. Not quite, except, look, I found, these are all men's sweaters. This one, and look, a champion hoodie. This one's the perfect color, the perfect hardware. It even has drawstrings at the bottom, but it has a hood and that's not what I'm looking for. Let's check out leathers. Genuine leather Moto jacket, as in the one I've been looking for years. Oh my gosh, and how much is it? Oh! Sorry, making noises. Oh my gosh. That tiny Jacquemus purse trend. I found it. Can you see a theme of green? These are beautiful. They're from Anthropology. Fully lined. You know a girl loves lined because these are itchy. They're like heavy weight knit. Would drape so nicely with a pair of heels. Super high waist and stretchy. Good for eating. First for me, but it's creepily wet. And I smelled it. I think somebody just washed this and donated, which is very nice of them. Anyways, I'm not gonna try it on. I forgot how unforgiving knit is if I eat just a little bit. And I plan on wearing this with a crop top, you know, if this was for the holidays. It's nice and glam, but it's just not as easy to wear as I thought it would be. They're so comfy. This would have been so cute, but I think it's missing a belt. So now I have this weird sheer smocked panel. Would have been something. I'm really sad this isn't working because it's too small. I was looking for like a really big oversized fit, but this check is perfect. They just had to do princess seams and make it so fitted. It's too bad. The sleeves are too short too. Not too big of a haul, but I definitely got some key pieces, namely that leather jacket, which I will show you guys how it looks. Oh, I just saw a hole, damn it. So I just got this sweater. I told you guys in which one of my thrift hacks video to make sure that you check for the quality of the items, and I didn't. Smack dab in the middle, on the shoulder, on the back. Another piece actually, that this one I really love, and now I'm hoping there's no holes because I also didn't try it on. This print has been living for the past couple of years. And then I got this green giant football tee. It's piling up, you guys. The amount of thrift transform stuff I have, it's getting a little ridiculous. So I got the knitwear that I was looking for, but I also got the grapey purple that I was looking for. Is this blouse? It is so pretty. Then the leather jacket. It is so heavy duty. It's a very masculine fit and a very masculine look, which is why I want to dye it black. I think the black will make it a little less biker. Continuity error. I made another thrift trip because I was just determined to find all the winter trends that I could possibly find. So I was really determined to find slouchy pants that were fitted and flattering at the same time. It's actually very difficult. And then I found the perfect pair. Three of the things I've already worn in my holiday party outfits video. First, this piped pre-tucked blouse. Looks like you already have your shirt tucked in. It is very much sleepwear inspired, and I got this for $6.99. This beautiful papery top, very super trendy piece, which I'm surprised I found at the thrift store. I have a spring outfit already planned for it that I wore in my last video. So the pants. I hate elastic waistbands. I think they make the pants look extra cheap, but they made it in a way that was hidden and secretive. Like, this is brilliant. I can't get over this. As you can see, I tried on a ton of pants. I didn't really have as much success as I liked. There were a couple of pieces that were like, I don't even know why they didn't fit the way that they were supposed to fit. A noteworthy mention is also this Club Monaco Italian knit sweater, which was really nice, had questionable sleeves and a questionable fit, so unfortunately it didn't work out for me. The quarter zip didn't work out so well. There was one that was promising, and then when I zipped it up, it was asymmetrical, and I was like, what? And then I found this. Somebody gave up a current season garage shearling jacket. I'd be happy if it stayed a jacket, but I'm thinking of maybe converting it and turning it into a quarter zip. So it works perfect like a jacket. I could keep it like a jacket, but I could also, I was thinking, move the zipper up to turn it into a collar that zips all the way up. Close the zipper here and add a pouch in the middle and turn it into oh my gosh, there's 4 pockets on this. If you're interested, let me know. If enough people are interested, then yeah, I'll DIY it, and then if not, I'll keep it a jacket. I don't know. 2 trips to the thrift store, and I ended up with all the winter trends, almost, still looking for that plaid jacket, all the winter trends that I was looking for, and after years of hunting, finally got myself a beautiful leather jacket that also needs a little bit of DIY love. Lots of things to alter. I'm gonna do a video where I just alter a bunch of clothes. Kicking off 2020 with
hot thrifting items. So yes, if you guys enjoyed, you can see how I style these pieces on Instagram at Letitia Q, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.